Boom, yeah, we're outside. I mean, boop, this entertainment TV, the whole team out. River. Come on, the glass. Yeah?
Yeah, Marina G. I make you think when I drop 50. Every the clap 50. 50!
Come outside. We're now going inside. No, so this is weird, dog.
So Russian, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Big
Big
friend
up
from
yourself,
Dallaz.
Russian. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You know what, the girls them cup of tea, you know what I mean? Up top.
Chop,
Make
chop.
sure you log in for the channel.
So it's a YouTube channel.
Yeah, make sure you log in there.
Make sure you think I select in a brother.
Yeah, man. Let's go check it out, man. This Entertainment TV.
I'm going to do that bro, you know.
Not really here.
Over there. Make sure you say, wanna tune in to the Nizzle Entertainment TV, isn't it? You just go like, share, comment, subscribe, and I then so whatever you can. So, what Dallaz right there, so? Teika, Ben, long foot Ben.
Long body, baby.
I don't know who run it, so. Who this now? Kevin, we know that one, yeah? Who this now? The one we drop him, I have him up to my grave. We don't know that one over here, so. A1 that?
Forgive me, man. I'm a nephew.
You have to forgive him, man. He just happy saying serious. Just
See me. After anyone.
Yo. Get that, buddy. Get that. No. Let's talk about
Forget about the past.
So we did it, bro. We did it.
Yeah, but
No, I'm not talking about fear, bro. Let's talk. Alright, Ben. You're big man. No, wait. What do you do with them always? You're not a child, you know, man. Anyways, we did it. Okay, boring. We say, no.
Like paper, so.
Mix.
So when make them see when we are driving.
It's not going on because only if God come tonight, I'm not going to eat water.
You're nasty, Taji.
You hear me saying only if God come, I'm not going to eat water.
You feel the shirt,
I'll get that. I'm mermaid.
I lie. Taji, you can see him?
So, you always ask a question, you know.
Nobody in here.
Where upon the mermaid the pussy there?
Mermaid, no.
So she have long hair and all this, they catch down in her back. But no matter how you look, you see fin, but you don't see no pussy.
Mermaid, really, I'm fucked.
So I treat them at you.
Everything where they talk about real. They fuck through their mouth.
Oh, so mermaid only give head?
Yeah. Only give head. And that's what the best
Only give? Okay, we get it now.
That's the only
Period.
They gave head.
No, sir.
Come pass out that here.
Come
up the market. Yeah, pass out the market.
Oopsie. Hee-haw. Watch out. Remember the time when Jesus walked on the water? Yeah. I was to catch up here. Yo, the fee say we Holloway dog. We don't say Holloway dog. Yeah, you Holloway dog. Hee-haw. Oopsie. Hee-haw. Oopsie. They're on the seaside. Yo, I'm saying something in the water is that scared me. Fuck. Hey.
They look where him gone. Hey. Yo, wait, no, we want to trouble you, dog. Hey.
Come here, watch it. Hey!
pussy here. Yeah, man, yeah, man. One different color.
Hey, man, I'm orange color. A crab.
I want crab. Jesus Christ.
You clip up on it with neck. This is fuck. And that that's stone.
No, man, we see it, man. I want orange, man.
Orange one. Orange crab.
Girl, me not trust on here, so you know. You post sitting on the dog.
You see your fan daddy Tabada? Yo, you see we push out an animal to you, brother.
You be a TV watching that.
Animal, we come out, brother.
Be a dumpy show.
Yo, come here. Come walk on the water, dog.
Yeah, man.
Walk on the water top, dog. Water top.
You steer, that's what you're saying.
Water top.
Yeah, I grab so big one.
Let's go turn up.
Big one. This is
Yo,
what I'm going to
Everybody get you, ready? Everybody get you.
Yo, my man said that. Yeah? Yeah, people, you don't know. We are the whole family them out. Yo, I watch if no shark are coming up because you know crocodile.
Listen, get some water salt.
Yeah? So big up on, make sure so you tune in, subscribe to my channel. Yeah? Nizzle Entertainment TV.
Hey, wait there. Come in, go sit down.
Yo, give me a dance, give me a dance.
Yes, I love that.
Woohoo! Girl, that's a fate, sir.
Whatever, guys. I'll one time. Come and me one time. Come.
Yo, we are changing our
Watch it! Watch it!
Yeah, that's a feel.
This is Nizzle Entertainment TV at Liquor Seafood Restaurant. Big up.
Yeah man, Biggs. I am my chef, you see that? Yeah man, the whole team out. Boom!
Yeah, Sprite, the next Sprite. Yeah man, Sprite, the jug.
Whole team out.
Down in Marina G. I make you think when I drop 50. Every the club 50. 50!